Hello everyone. Today's video is about bank feeds. The first item on the agenda is to connect the bank feed to QuickBooks Online. Notice that you can complete this action from the bank accounts card on the dashboard, or you can choose banking from the left-hand menu. Prior to connecting your bank account to QuickBooks Online, note that you can upload transactions manually. There is a privacy policy made available to you that you may review. When you are ready, click Connect. The first step to connecting your bank or credit card account is to choose your banking institution. You can choose from one of the more popular options, which are listed in the icons below, or you can type in your institution's name and choose the most appropriate institution from the drop-down menu. You will be asked to verify yourself by either entering a username, a card number, and the password you use to access online banking for that card. For further security purposes, you may be asked for a bank security answer to a question you have previously set up with your institution. Once the connection has been made to your banking institution, connect the bank and/or credit card information to the appropriate account in your chart of accounts. Congratulations, you have just connected your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online. Thank you for joining us today. We hoped you found that this video was helpful and informative. Until the next time.